Good afternoon. What up, everybody? It's a snow day. Oh man, it's still snowing. It's a blizzard. It's a nor'easter. Man, it's a whole heap of a lot of snow. It is like past your thighs out here. It's like, dang. Oh man. Check out this view. Let me flip the camera. Hold up 1 second. It's not even that cold out here. You don't even need a coat. I'm walking through the blizzard, y'all. It's hard to see. I'm doing it. I'm getting it. YouTube, how y'all feeling? How's the weather where you guys are? Y'all, look how deep this snow is. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all thought I was joking earlier when I mentioned the thigh part. Peep the navy pants, navy sweats, yeah. Look at that. Y'all thought I was joking. Yo, look at this. This tree is all the way up to here, so I'm gonna try to walk over there. Okay, hold up. Look at that. Look, see? Alright, I'm gonna try to walk over here. Made it. Kind of. Okay. Look at that. Trying to tell y'all. Okay. It's not even that bad out here. Honestly, it's not. But this is beautiful. Alright. Stay tuned for more snow shots. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna edit. And yeah. I went live earlier, but the snow is heavy and the internet connection is a little shaky.